Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Miss Mavish Haris and I am your maths teacher from Peshawar Model School. This is our 7th lecture, and in this lesson we have to study about the operation on sets. You already learn about set. Set means set is a collection of well-defined distinct object. Now in this video we have to learn about the operation on sets. Operation on sets. Set can be combined in a number of different ways to produce some other set. Here three basic operations are introduced and their properties are discussed. In this situation you have to learn about the three basic operations. You already know about the word union of two sets. You already know about the word intersection of two sets. So the first operation is union of two or more sets. If A and B are any two sets, then the union of set A and B consists of all elements in set A or in set B and is denoted by A union B. In set builder form, you can also write here A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Union means you have to combine two sets together in an ascending order, either in a descending order. So the main order which we use in union of two set is an ascending order. Repeated element cannot be entered in the set. So let's suppose there is set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 2, 3, 4. So what is the union of set A and B? We have to combine two sets together. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 is already in set A or set B, so it is not repeated, it should be written once time. So our next operation is intersection of two or more set. If A and B are any two sets, then the intersection of set A and set B consists of all those elements which are common to both A and B, and it is denoted by A intersection B. It's mean in intersection of two or more sets, we have to take only the common element. We have not combined two sets together. In this set, we have to take only the common element. Let's take an example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then we have to find here A intersection B. Intersection means common. A intersection B. So we put here the value of set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection. The value of set B are 3, 4, 5. So which elements are common in both sets? Element 3 is common among both set and element 4. So which two numbers are common here? 3 and 4. So our answer is of A intersection B is equal to 3, 4. Our next operation is difference of two set. If A and B are two set, then their difference consists of all those elements of set A which are not in set B, and it is denoted by A minus B or A difference B. You have to use here the both symbols. You have to use here the symbol of minus and this difference symbol. Means if there are two set, we have to discuss this definition with the help of this example. So my dear students, be careful and listen this example carefully. For example, if set A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to find here A difference B. It's mean you must understand that which set is written first. We have to write here set A first. So the elements of set A are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We put here the sign of difference. Then we put the value of set B. The value of set B are 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have to find here which numbers are common among both these two sets. Which numbers are common here? 5 is common, 6 is common. So we have to minus it. We have to deduct it. We have to cut it. 5 is cut because 5 is present in both sets. 6 should be deducted. 6 should be cut from both these two sets, because 5 and 6 are present in both sets. So we have to find here the difference. So both these numbers are cut with each other, and we have to find the remaining element. Which numbers are remaining here in set A? Which elements are remain? 2, 3 and 4. So A difference B, answer of A difference B is 2, 3, 4. We have to ignore which elements are left in set B. 7 and 8 are left in set B. So we have to ignore these two numbers, these two elements. We give preference to set A, because in this situation we have to find here A difference B. So A difference B means you have to deduct the common elements and you have to write down the answer of A difference B like this. Which element are left in A, in set A? Like this you have to see here which element are left in set A, that is 2, 3, 4, and which elements are left in set B, 7, 8. So you have to ignore these two numbers. You have to just write here elements in set A, that is 2, 3 and 4. Now my dear students, open your book, exercise 1.2, page number 7, and book is also 7. So question number 1, find union and intersection of the following. It is a very interesting question. You already do in class 6. So it is very well understand about you. So the first question, that is very simple. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5. There are two sets and you have to find here two basic operation. The first operation is union and the second operation is intersection. So one by one you have to solve here. Union, first we find the union of two sets A union B. First of all you write here the element of set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to find which operation here, union. You put here the symbols of union, and the set B is 3, 4, 5. So union means we have to combine two sets together in an order of ascending order. A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3, 4 is present in both sets, but we have to written once time, because in set we cannot repeat the element. So A union B is 1 braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to find here the intersection. Intersection means we have to take the common elements. Now A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection B 3, 4, 5. Now which elements are common among both these two sets? 3, 4 are common as it is written in colored form. So you have to easily recognize it because these are the common members, common elements. So answer of A intersection B is 3, 4. Now come to the next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10, first 10 natural numbers, and set B are 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd numbers. So union means A union B. Set A is equal to, you write full 10 numbers, A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Union B are 1, 3, 5, 7. Union means you have to combine these two sets together. So A union B is equal to braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to combine these two sets together and you cannot repeat the number because 1 is present in both sets but it should be written one time. 3 is present in both sets but it should be written one time. 5 is present in both sets but you have to write one time. 7 is present in both sets but you have to write once time because in set their elements are not repeated. So the A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to find here intersection. The word intersection means common. You have to write here A intersection B. First you write here the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 intersection, and the elements of set B are 1, 3, 5, 7. Now in this situation, in this set, when we have to find the intersection, we have to take the common elements which are common among both these two sets. So which numbers are common here? 1 is common. You also put circle which on those numbers which are common. So in this situation you have to look here. I will be put in colored form because these are the common elements. So 1 is common among both these two sets, 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 is common. So our answer of A intersection B is braces 1, 3, 5, 7. Common means we have to take only the common elements. In union, union means we have to combine both these two sets without repetition or in an ascending order. Either it should be in descending order, but most of the order which we have to use here, that is ascending order. But in intersection of two sets, we have to take only the common elements, common members. So my dear student, your homework is you have to complete question number 1 of exercise 1.2. You have to complete also these two parts which I will solve for you, and the remaining part 2, part 4 and part 5. Thank you.